Have you ever wondered how to embrace a luxurious lifestyle without breaking the bank? Welcome to our channel where we unravel the secrets of living life lavishly, one tip at a time. Today we're tackling a common misconception, that luxury is synonymous with extravagant spending. Far from it, true luxury is about how you feel, how you treat yourself, and how you savor the joys of life. It's about cultivating a state of mind that values quality, cherishes simple pleasures, and seeks enriching experiences. Today, we're going to explore 10 easy ways to embrace a luxurious lifestyle, no matter your budget. From investing in quality pieces and creating a luxurious home environment to planning for the lifestyle you aspire to, we're here to guide you on this journey of self-discovery and indulgence. So, are you ready to redefine luxury? Let's dive into the 10 ways to live a luxurious life without emptying your wallet. The first way to embrace luxury is to invest in quality. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's about choosing items that aren't just attractive but also well-crafted and durable. Think of things like watches, handbags, shoes, or jewelry. These are pieces that, when made with high-quality materials and exquisite craftsmanship, can stand the test of time. They become a part of your story, your signature. They elevate your everyday experience, adding a touch of luxury to the simplest moments. Consider this. Instead of buying a new handbag every season, why not save up for that one beautifully crafted piece that you absolutely love? It may take a bit longer to acquire, but its value, both emotional and monetary, will far outweigh the temporary thrill of a quick, cheap buy. In the world of luxury, less is often more. It's not about having a lot, but having the best. Remember, quality always trumps quantity. Secondly, create a luxurious home that reflects your personality. Let's delve into how you can transform your living space into a cozy haven of luxury. Start with incorporating little touches of luxury such as fresh flowers that not only add a pop of color, but also fill your space with a delightful fragrance. Candles too can set a soothing ambiance, and soft lighting can transform the mood of a room instantly. Now let's not forget about art. Art is a beautiful expression of your personality. Choose pieces that resonate with you and place them where they can be admired. But remember, luxury isn't about excess, it's about joy. So declutter your space and keep only those items that spark joy. Eliminate the unnecessary, creating room for the essential, the meaningful. Your home should be a sanctuary of luxury that mirrors your personality, a place where you feel at peace, energized, and inspired all at once. The third way to embrace luxury is to plan for the lifestyle you want. It's not just about dreaming big, it's about making those dreams a tangible reality. Begin by setting clear and realistic goals. What does luxury mean to you? Is it about world travel, gourmet dining, or perhaps a beautiful home filled with curated art? Once you've identified your goals, create a budget and savings plan. Luxury doesn't have to mean extravagance. It's about investing in experiences and items that bring you joy and enhance your life. Allocate funds for these luxury experiences, whether it's a trip to a foreign country, a night at the opera, or a day of self-care at a top-notch spa. Remember, planning is about anticipation, and anticipation is a pleasure in itself. So savor this part of the journey too. Visualize your dreams and make them a reality. Fourth, savor the simple pleasures in life. You see, luxury doesn't always have to mean the grandest or the most expensive. Sometimes the most luxurious moments are those that are simplest and most sincere. It's about cherishing the everyday joys that life offers. Take a moment to enjoy that comforting cup of coffee in the morning, lose yourself in the captivating world of a good book, or take a serene walk in nature, absorbing its beauty and tranquility. Luxury can also be about the people we choose to surround ourselves with. It's the belly laughs shared with friends, the heartwarming conversations that last until the early morning, the comforting hug from a loved one. These seemingly small things are often the ones that bring the most happiness, the most joy. They make us feel rich in the ways that truly matter. So remember to slow down, to appreciate, and to revel in these simple pleasures because, after all, luxury is often found in the simplest things. Fifth, don't forget to treat yourself. This, my friends, is an absolute must. It's all too easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, forgetting that you too need a little pampering. It's important to carve out time for yourself, to indulge in the simple luxuries that bring you joy. Perhaps it's a spa day where you can unwind and let go of any stress. Or maybe it's a soothing massage melting away the tension of the week. It could even be a new outfit, something that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. The key here is to prioritize this self-care. Don't wait for a special occasion to treat yourself. Make it a regular part of your routine, a non-negotiable appointment with yourself, because at the end of the day, you are your own best investment. Remember, self-pampering is a luxury you deserve. Sixth, enrich your life by learning something new. In the pursuit of a luxurious lifestyle, one often overlooks the richness that knowledge and skills bring to our lives. Engaging in new experiences, honing fresh skills, or diving into fascinating hobbies, these are luxuries that money can't buy. Imagine the satisfaction of strumming your first tune on a guitar, the thrill of speaking a foreign language, the joy of creating a beautiful piece of art, or the exhilaration of mastering a new sport. These aren't just pastimes, they're pathways to a deeper understanding of the world and ourselves. Whether it's through online courses, reading books, watching documentaries, or listening to podcasts, every bit of new knowledge we acquire adds a layer of richness to our existence. It's like adding a unique piece to the jigsaw puzzle of your life, making the picture more vibrant, more complete. Learning is a luxury that lasts a lifetime. Seventh, open your eyes to the world by traveling and exploring. There's something profoundly enriching about immersing yourself in diverse cultures, savoring exotic cuisines, and witnessing breathtaking landscapes. Each journey you embark on, each place you visit, becomes a part of who you are, enhancing your perspective and understanding of the world. Travel isn't necessarily about splurging on first-class tickets or five-star hotels. It's about the experiences you collect and the memories you create. You can find affordable ways to explore, whether it's within your own country or internationally. Look for off-season deals, use points and miles, or find coupons and discounts. Perhaps consider staying in bed and breakfasts or guest houses, which often offer a more authentic and personal experience. Remember, travel is more than just a break from routine. It's a journey of self-discovery, of expanding your horizons, and of embracing the beauty and diversity of our world. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. Scene script. Eighth, always dress well. Dressing well isn't about having the priciest brands or trendiest outfits. It's about selecting clothes that fit you well, suit your personal style, and make you feel confident and comfortable. When you dress well, you're communicating to the world that you respect yourself and those around you. Your clothing can also be a form of self-expression, a way to show off your personality and tastes. Think about what your clothes say about you. Do they portray the image you want to project? If not, it might be time to reassess your wardrobe. Remember, dressing well doesn't mean you need to sacrifice comfort. Find a balance between style and comfort that works for you. Opt for classic, timeless pieces that will never go out of fashion, and don't forget to accessorize thoughtfully. Taking good care of your clothing can also add to their longevity, allowing you to enjoy them for years to come. Dressing well is a form of good manners. Ninth, nourish your body and soul by eating well. Just as a car runs best on premium fuel, your body thrives on quality nourishment. Opt for fresh, organic, local, and seasonal produce whenever possible. Make your meals a feast for the senses, play with colors, textures, and flavors to create dishes that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat. Cooking at home not only allows you to control the quality and quantity of ingredients, but also adds a layer of personal touch to your meals. But hey, don't fret if you're not a master chef. Ordering from your favorite restaurants is also a splendid way to indulge in culinary luxury. Remember, eating is not just a biological necessity, it's an experience. Savor every bite, relish every flavor, and eat mindfully. Let your meals be a celebration of life's bounty. Good food is a luxury to be savored. Lastly, the 10th way to embrace luxury is to practice gratitude. This might seem simple, but it's a cornerstone of living a life that feels truly luxurious. It's about appreciating what you have rather than focusing on what you don't. It's about recognizing the value in both the big and small things that bring you joy, comfort, and happiness. Keeping a gratitude journal can be a powerful tool in this practice. Jot down a few things each day that you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a delicious meal, a warm conversation, or a beautiful sunset. This practice helps to cultivate an attitude of abundance and positivity. Remember, gratitude is more than just saying thank you. It's about feeling it deep within your heart and truly appreciating the richness of your life. In the end, it's not happiness that brings us gratitude. It's gratitude that brings us happiness. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. These are the 10 ways to embrace luxury in your life. From investing in quality pieces and creating a luxurious home environment, to planning for the lifestyle you aspire and relishing in simple pleasures. It's about treating yourself, learning new things, exploring the world, dressing well, eating well, and practicing gratitude. Each of these steps, no matter how small, can bring about a significant change in your mindset and lifestyle, steering you towards a more luxurious life. It's not about the price tag, but the value you attach to your experiences and possessions. Remember, luxury is about joy, not wealth. You deserve to live luxuriously, so start enjoying life now. As we wrap up this video, I hope you're feeling inspired to embark on your journey towards a life filled with more luxury. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye for now.